Hello everyone, I am Sriram. In this session, we will understand what is the use of an Edge AI device. I'll start with the problem statement. Say I have an autonomous bot or a self-driving car which is traveling at a velocity of 100 meters per second, or in to cover 1 meter it takes 10 milliseconds. Now let's say a person is trying to cross the road, and he appears at a distance of 1 meter from the bot. So the bot has to take a decision to stop within 10 milliseconds, otherwise a collision takes place. So this computation is to be done and the decision is to be taken in 10 milliseconds. We'll consider three ways of solving this using a computer on board. Okay, let me copy the bot. The supercomputer is very fast. They'll do the job in let's say 1 millisecond rather than 10 milliseconds, right? What are the problems associated with this is it is expensive to put a supercomputer. It's an overkill, and it will need huge power for the computation, and the size, you might not be even able to put a supercomputer on a bot. The other way to solve the problem is using a cloud where you have a smaller computer on board which will just capture the image of the person and it will send it to cloud via internet, and the decision comes back to stop the bot. But the problems associated with this are, if there is no network connectivity or if there is a delay, the bot will collide with the person and your details are going out into the internet. So and somebody can hack the system and provide malicious inputs to the bot. So there is a concern of security and privacy, and there are other factors too. I'm mentioning the main factors here. So the best way to solve this is what we call an Edge AI device. An Edge device is a solution to all these problems. That is, it is a low cost plus high computation, and since the computation is taken at the edge or on bot in this case, we are solving the problems of network latency and privacy, and it consumes less power, and its form factor is small, it's a smaller size. So this is major benefits of using an Edge AI device instead of going for a cloud computing. Thank you for attending the session.